man, the whoop ass, the look a blast from the ratchet man. The maddest, blackest lad in a savage land. The grab and dash and crash in your daddy's van. The baddest, the most heavinest, most swaggiest, braggiest. Never had anything, so I'm macking as if I never had shit. I was moving backwards, I could've hit the backflip. Check this, I ain't never hustled for a necklace. Trying to get the fam straight, get us out of that shit. That shit get testy. I feel Dizzy Gillespie in the room, pack me, Carl, Izzy, and Precious. Out the womb, I was last, I'm the youngest of 7. Birthday, same day as the Reverend. Birthday, same day as the devil. Black Glock like the pot in the kettle. Wreck shop on my knot in his fellow. Lick a shot for the nigga trying